Aries, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aries, this is your channel song. Damn, it's enough. On my way up north, upon the venture, I pulled back the hood, and I was talking to you. Then know it'd be a lifelong thing, but I didn't know that we could break a silver lining. And I too said, like a good book put on this day back, a sort of fairy tale with you, a sort of fairy tale with you. Okay, that's it. No more. You pay me if you want more. You want more, your time is up. You pay me. You pay me now or you pay me? Room service? No, excuse me, I don't want room service. Room service? No, excuse me, it's okay. I come in and clean now? No, I don't want room service. Okay, I clean. You pay me now or you pay me later? Okay, let's go, right? And I do sing like a good bug, that deep in a sort of fairy tale with you. I want a fairy tale with you. I want the fairy tale life with you. I want the happy ending. I want a fairy tale. Meaning I want to be married. I want to be written in the books. Meaning I want to be Beauty and the Beast. I'm not fucking around with you. I'm not Nickelodeon. I'm not fucking Toonami. I'm not fucking Adult Swim. I'm fucking Disney, bitch. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go. So I'm getting someone wants a fairy tale avec toi. Let's go. We have the moon card. I'm getting a Pisces wants a fairy tale with you. The Pisces hasn't told you this yet, or I'm getting you have yet to see who this Pisces is. You might know them sign, but you don't know them. And if you know them, then that's great. But I'm getting a Pisces want to build something with you. They want to start a fairy tale with you. Do you believe in a fairy tale life? Other people will say that don't exist. Sweetie, if that don't exist, why the fuck am I continuing trying to look for monogamy? Right? Okay, the moon card. Getting Pisces. Let's go. We have the Page of Pentacles coming out first. So I'm getting you're a novice, you just started something, or it's your first time attempting this. I'm getting you have the basic understanding, but you know you're going to try it with your own hands for the first time, okay? This could be magic. If that's not magic, we're getting you planting a plant. You plant a plant in dedication of somebody. We're getting there's a flowers or there's a tree where you live. Wait. We're getting there's a flower. Oh Jesus. There's a flowers or there's a tree where you live or you plant it. Long time. So wonderful. We're getting a plant in dedication of some of your love to somebody else. Every day you go out and you look on the plant and you water the plant. And you say to yourself, as long as this plant is water and growing, we still have a chance with this person. We're getting you use what that magic the name? Botanical. Yeah, use botanical magic for this. The Knight of Swords, yeah, something going to grow into a huge tree. We're getting that's the intention. Something will go from one plant, Page of Pentacles, to a whole big tree. Knight of Pentacles. We're getting that's how you get a fairy tale. They use earth elements to use magic. You plant a tree. Usually you will not leave that person. If you did it the right way and you plant a tree, when you and somebody meet, you're almost not gonna break up. Not until a tree dies. The Nine of Cups, there, that's your wish. You want to be with this person. Me getting a plant. Yeah, me getting a plant of flowers. You plant a plant in. I don't know what kind of. I'm getting is roses. You plant roses, sunflowers, something like that. and you're waiting on it to grow, or you're waiting on it to bloom, so you know that's the time you can approach this person. We have the Hierophant, yeah. Somebody wants a fairy tale with you. They want forever with you. They want marriage with you. Somebody wants over 10 years with you. The Hierophant. They're using they're using botanical magic for do it. The Hierophant is an earth sign. Yeah, literally. I'm sort of fairy tale with you. Here's a fairy tale. Hierophant. They're going to be devoted to you. They'll never leave your side. They'll always be there for you if you have a problem. They will always try to fix it for you. We have the Emperor, yeah, they will always protect you. I'm also getting the Emperor may hide a lot of secrets from you, but his secrets is not, the secrets them hide from you is secrets to protect you or for not make you worry. It's nothing that will put the Emperor in danger where he will leave and you never see him again. But me getting the Emperor knows that he's the one who's supposed to take all the emotional burdens. So he don't tell you. So maybe you're around this Emperor and you feel like he might hide something from you. He is hiding something from you. But me getting, I don't think it's something. You need to be okay with not knowing why. That would save a lot of women from getting over a relationship when you keep a look for closure. And even though to this day I wish I had closure, you need to be okay with moving on without knowing what made it crumble. That's why you have so much resentment. That's why you cannot move on. Because you can't figure out what ended wrong. What ended in the last relationship. You need to be okay with not knowing the answers to things. You know what happened when you're dead, or people tell you what happened to you when you're dead. You need to be okay with not knowing the answer to certain questions. We have the King of Swords. Me getting him so intelligent, so smart, so intelligent, so kosher, right? The Two of Pentacles. Then, ooh, we have a Queen of Wands here, and we have the Four of Swords here. Okay, so I'm getting also this person is a churchman. This man could be divorced already. Me getting if him divorced, him have kids, him coming towards you. The Pisces, if that's not it, or Aries. Me getting if that's not it, him currently with a Sagittarius woman. Me getting somebody in the church. Somebody's name is known in the church. Me getting that's the person who wants a fairy tale with you. Ross, yeah, rappers ain't gonna give you no fairy tale. Military man not gonna get a fairy tale either. You think military man dream about a fairy tale? Nope. So you want a fairy tale, you have to get a nice churchman. Whether that is Christianity, Jewish, Judaism, Muslimity. Tell me about the, okay, so when we talk about the nation of Islam, no, not the nation, Islamology, Islam, can I say Islam? Yeah, just Islam, okay. When we talk about the nation of Islam, no, not the nation of Islam, it's just Islam. Okay, when we talk about Islam, what is the biggest misconception you think people have of Islam? That we don't like to karaoke. Dun, dun, a red one, convict, gaga. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I'm getting that. I'm getting something like that. This man I protect you. I'm getting you need that religious man. Oh, sometimes religious man boring. You're not my dad. Fuck, right? Oh, it depends on what kind of religious man you get. But I'm getting somebody's religious. Maybe I'm religious, but he won't make it the way you want. You know, I'm sure he has seen a lot of sinful hearts. Your heart could not be that sinful, being that he likes you, okay? Yeah, I feel like somebody say as a child, I'm gonna make it the way you want. As long as I'm not too religious, I'm good. But they can't buy the boring thing I had tell me to take out Bumbleclot Bible. Every Bumbleclot they tell me to take out Bible. To this day, you never ask me want a foot rub, but you want Bumbleclot talk to God. Bro, me I pray to God say you give me a foot rub and all. No, God can't answer my prayer. So you are telling me to take out my Bible. That's not for me right now. Otherwise, this could have been somebody who is born again. So I'm getting, even though there may be a man of God in the bedroom, they'll have you screaming for God. This is what I see. Let's go. We have Mean Girls and Initiation Ritual. Okay. We have Cursed. Damn, what the fuck is this? We have Fake Business. We have Toxic Relationship, and we have A Virgo. Now with Virgo, fake business, toxic relationship, curse, mean girls, and initiation ritual, maybe somebody want to marry you so them can start bring you to them church. I'm getting somebody needs to bring you in a building where you're going to start off as the lowest one. I'm getting there's not much things that you're going to start off being a novice in. Somebody can get you in the church. You ain't going to start off having that say, having that mount, having that stance where you can defend a certain ideology. Kind of the church, you listen to the man on top. Maybe that's the only way somebody can shut you up or put you under oath. If you marry this religious man, he can put you under oath. That means you can't talk about certain things anymore, say certain things anymore, dress a certain way anymore. Or me getting something about you need to be in a subservient position. Even if you get employment, even as a worker, being the lowest paid worker, you still have a voice. In a church, you usually listen to who is higher than you. And I'm getting that's the only time somebody can get you to shut up. But don't take the lead and don't think for yourself if they bring you into the church. Then you would just rely on the most highest ranking person in the church for guidance. Maybe that's what somebody want you to do. Then why you kind of have a little more hope or faith in a man who is a messenger. Yeah. But we're getting mean girls, curse, toxic relationship, fake business. This seems like you're going to marry a man in church and going to get a lot of problem, and then you're going to always confide in the church about the problems this man is doing to you, and in the church you're going to tell you if you don't left him. You're getting them need to put in a subservient position, and the only way them can do that is to get you under oath, is to get you to be religious. If you're religious, then you can subserve. Otherwise, you ain't taking no talk from nobody. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.
Aww.